I'm Alex Bloom, Business Operations Manager here at Eaton. Welcome to our Phoenix satellite facility, where we deliver standard and customized electrical assemblies as well as local engineering expertise to meet our customers' specific needs. With 16 satellite facilities strategically located across the United States, we're able to provide the regional accessibility, reduced lead times, custom solutions, and 24/7 disaster response you need to keep your projects on time and on budget. Right here in Phoenix, our team can work directly with your engineers to develop custom electrical assemblies for applications that need to align with the customer's requirements as well as local utility specifications. One of our specialties is solar solutions. For example, we can work directly with your engineers to manufacture custom switchboard solutions that meet local utility design specifications. Think of us as a neighbor, one that understands your business and the local market, responds quickly, and delivers on our commitments with clear and constant communication. Remember, with Eaton, you have an expert right in your backyard, providing the solutions you need to get the job done right. To learn more, visit eaton.com/satellites.